With the hundreds of supporters gathered in Manicaland over the weekend, Nelson Chamisa reignited the political arena in Zimbabwe, marking a significant turning point for the opposition. The event was not merely a rally, but a display of Chamisa's growing influence and the fire of change that he is sparking across the nation. Sanamina mashika mudanyo govana vatona aiwa Nelson Chamisa osimuka aiwa zvakanyanyisa zvanyaswe yakaratidza vanhu kuti aiwa anonyasotogenda popularity aiwa especially nemota yake kuti totangira ipapo. Noti bo subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tichipinda munovanyora vachiti the atmosphere was electrified with passion as supporters eagerly embraced Chamisa's call for transformative leadership. Later taking to Facebook, Chamisa shared his vision with a powerful declaration: the case for transformative citizenocracy and citizenocratic transformation. This bold statement embodies Chamisa's unwavering commitment to empowering citizens through a political system grounded in accountability and inclusivity. As one enthusiastic supporter at the event proclaimed, "We believe in Chamisa's vision for a better Zimbabwe." This gathering shows that we are ready to take action and support transformative change. This sentiment reverberated throughout the crowd, underscoring the widespread belief that Chamisa's leadership offers the best chance for a more inclusive and democratic Zimbabwe. Ndo mashoko anoitika paweekend tona awa Nelson Chamisa achizadza awa kwamutare uko tichiona achizadza mastreets zvakashamisa vanhu vakanyasikuona kuti aiwa kunyange zvake akaungana isiri rally yakanga ingori just a meeting yaida kungoratidza vakomana ve the ruling party kuti aiwa I'm gaining popularity, munhu wese anoita ne the regime. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.